How to fix TikTok ID freeze problem on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix TikTok ID freeze problem on Android phone. First go to settings and then scroll down until you find apps, and now click apps again, and here click TikTok. First go to force stop TikTok, and then go to storage, clear cache, and then go to data usage, enable all of those here, and enable all of those here, and that's it. Now just go back, restart your phone and try again, and your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.